Today I will show you how to create a gradient text in Webflow. So we will take a text block and drag it inside the section, and first we will call it gradient text, and now we will give some styling to this text. Let's say 50 pixels, height 55 pixels, and let's give it some nice font, let's say impact. And now what we will do is we need to click here on this plus, you see image and gradient, and you go to linear gradient, and now you choose the colors you want. First, let's say this kind of pink or purple, or kind of a pink or purple color. Let's choose this one, and the second one will be, let's say, green, or this kind of green or blue, something in between. And now we can change the angle of the gradient. You can see how it changes. Let's say 150 degrees. And now the thing that changes this background gradient to text is this clipping part. So you see this clipping and it's none. What we need to do is click this and click clip background to text. And that's it. Now you have a gradient text.